Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video on my channel. This is episode 1 of 100k packs. As you see, I've got 96k at the top, and I might be quick sell some stuff trying to get that 100k in the packs. Hopefully that's what we did. I'm probably going to do this every week on a Saturday. I don't know what time, but yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. So we crack on with our first pack of today. Hey, look, 60, 60, 69. Pretty cool. So here we go. I don't know, put in the comments if you like to skip or not, because I don't like skipping, but if you want, I'll do it. First pack. Stupid. Bad pack. Hope we can get better. That was just absolute rubbish. Oh god, here we go. Next bloody pack. Let's skip this one, 'cause I'm bored. No, look away. Better get something good. Oh, Jeff. Oh god, what that first one? Let's get. Send everything to club. I wasn't alright pack, but it wasn't one of the best. So yeah, it was grand. I have to sell some of my players to get 100k, guys. So why do I think I'm wigging stuff? Jeez, nothing good there. We can get one of the team wigs, guys. Sorry, I forgot to show you. Not my fault. I just forgot. Simple enough. I might skip this one. 'Cause I haven't skipped one yet. Boom. Oh, you are the fast, but it's bad to get on bad stuff. Oh god. Cancel me. That's good. Oh well. Double strike force then. Control myself. Next pack. Might skip this one on board. We get your shit. I do not like you, because you're from Newcastle and you're still shit. And that was a shit pack. Shall we? Give me something good now. Or if you don't give me something good, then you're gay. I don't know how long this is gonna last for, but you will know. Skip. Oh, look at that player. Oh, actually, it looks like decent. Oh, I remember him. He was like FIFA 13. He was a Sylvie, went for 40. Damn. And a nice case, I guess. So halfway through our pack opening, best player, 84. Yeah, not much really. Boom. Oh my days, I am not skipping anymore. I'm just getting rubbish here. Jesus Christ. No more skipping. I might do later, but not at the moment. Give me a good player. Give me a good player. You know you want to. Who's it? Oh, never eat playful. He's a good keeper. He's a good goalkeeper. Oh look, we got 1,000 coins. What a surprise. Can we get a double back? Come on, come on, come on. Ah, boom! Look at that. That should give me Messi. I'm gonna look away. I'm gonna look back. There'll be a bloody legend. I'm closing my eyes. It better be a bloody legend or an inform or something. Oh, pass. Oh my days. Actually, it's decent, but that P is Jesus. Oh, very, very bad pack opening this, guys. Better get something good tonight. I'm gonna skip it, skips. Oh my days! This is actually torture. Oh, this is torture, this is bloody torture. Give me something good, you know you want to. I've got what, 3-4 packs left, guys. Hopefully we can pull at least one good player. However, at least a player to get 20k back at least. Oh, bloody save. Oh, a contract, seriously, Jesus Christ. Oh my days. Oh, these are the last two, guys. I could like try and get one more, but I don't think I can be pushed at the minute. I'll let these two let it roll. I'm not lucky this time. Don't count. Just give me someone good, you absolute donghead. Yep. Yep. This is the pack, isn't it? I attempted to smash this controller off the wall. Last pack. Messi, give me Messi. I threw my controller on the ground. Give me someone now. I'm gonna fucking walk out the room if I don't get anyone good in this game. Oh, Johnson. Jesus Christ, another 5-star star. Wow. I'll be annoying if I was like a 50k there. I'll be like, oh, shithole. But, yeah guys, that was the 100k pack opening. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been 7 minutes. So, I think I do have to. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.